Hi guys, in my last portfolio video, I described the process of creating and revising my website. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I created my video advertisement for my product, The Sink, and the revision process that took place as well. In my original video, the wording and the visuals were strong, but some of the videos, especially near the end, did not have the effect on the viewers that I wanted to. In addition, I was not pleased in how the logo first appeared in the initial version, so with the revisal I knew I wanted to change it. Firstly, to change the logo, I drew inspiration from Marcus Haig's logo for The Charge and utilized a symbol for the first letter. I think this makes the product appear more professional and look more closely like a real advertisement than my original logo did. To make this logo, I used Microsoft Word because it is much easier to navigate compared to InDesign. From this portion, I learned that if both methods were to produce the same outcome, I should use the one that I could work more easily. Also, to make the ad look crisper, I removed the portion of the video in which I had to pause the clip, which also stopped all animations in the background. I was displeased with this clip when I made the initial draft, so I knew I wanted to remove it this time around. And by removing this 2-second section, I was able to line up my audio with my video better and cut down on non-essential video to decrease my overall running time. Secondly, since a lot of the comments on the initial post were about the conclusion of the video with the man on the computer, I decided to change this to accelerated videos of a computer and phone in use to emphasize the reason behind the product. The clip I originally used did not display any functionality and just showed an employee conducting business. I realized from the comments that every second in the advertisement matters, so using a clip just to fill time ruins the intent behind the ad. The clips that I chose from YouTube were chosen specifically to show the distractions that phones cause in everyday life and how the Sink would reduce those inefficiencies. Finally, to sum up the entire video, I drew inspiration from Apple's advertisements for the iPhone with the use of the logo as the last image. I felt when watching their most recent ad that flashing the logo at the end concluded the video well, and this can help the audience remember the product because it is the last thing they'll see in the ad. Through these changes, I learned the impact of the last few seconds on an advertisement and how impressions can last. And furthermore, I learned that simplicity is often more effective in making someone remember a product. I feel that with these changes I was able to make, my advertisement appears more legitimate and it made my product look much more attractive to consumers.